In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add people to Constant Contact. This is a simple process, and the easiest way to add a group of contacts at once is by uploading a file, like a CSV or an Excel spreadsheet. Before you begin, it helps to quickly check your file and make sure each contact has its own row and that your columns have clear headings, like first name, last name, and email address. Clean, consistent headings make the import much smoother. Once you are inside your Constant Contact account, go to the main navigation and click Contacts. This is where all of your saved contacts and lists are managed. From the Contacts area, choose Add Contacts, and then select Upload from File. This option is designed for bringing in multiple people at one time, rather than adding them one by one. Now you will upload your spreadsheet. Drag and drop your CSV or Excel file into the Upload area. If you prefer, you can also click to browse and select the file from your computer, but dragging and dropping is usually the quickest. Wait a moment for the file to finish uploading, and then click Continue to move on. Next, you will match your columns to Constant Contact fields. This is an important step because it tells Constant Contact what each piece of information represents. For example, if your spreadsheet column says Email, you will match it to the Email field. If something does not match automatically, use the drop-downs to choose the correct field. Take your time here, especially with email addresses, since that field is essential for email marketing. When everything looks correct, click Continue. After that, you will select a list for these contacts. Lists help you stay organized and send targeted emails to the right audience. Choose the list you want to add them to, and then click Continue. Finally, you may see a consent pop-up. This is part of staying compliant with email permission requirements. Read the message, check the box to confirm you have the right consent to email these contacts, and then click Save. Once it finishes processing, your contacts will be added to the selected list and ready to use in your campaigns. And that is all there is to it.